Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to paint this super cute Dachshund. It is one of our Paint by Line products, and the first thing I'm doing is painting the body of the Dachshund brown. Next I'm going to paint the legs and the feet a tan color, and I'm also going to paint this little area around his mouth tan and the nose black. This paint by line can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com. Now I'm taking a 00 detail brush and some slightly watered down black paint, and I'm filling in the lines that are etched into the Dachshund. I'm going to fill in this little eyeball. He's so super cute because he looks like he's smiling. Now I'm going to take a painter's pen and I'm going to go around the entire outside. That completes the lines that are on the inside. Next, I'm going to go beyond the lines. This is where I like to add accents and detail that is not etched into the product for me. So I have a 00 detail brush and some white paint, and I'm accenting him in some different places. I'm kind of following the lines that are already there and hitting him with some white, and as you can see, this really starts to bring him to life and brighten him up. All of the paint I'm using today is Dixie Belle paint, which can also be purchased on our website at www.buildacross.com. Gonna add a few more little accents with the white paint. I've done the toes. Now I'm gonna kind of look and see if I need any more anywhere else. I'm gonna go back up here and add these. And after that, guys, we are done. This was a super cute and super easy little puppy dog to paint, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share, and I will see you next time.